2025 Audi S3 First Look, the splitting of more torque. More driving dynamics, quattro drive system with torque splitter. Following the RS3, the torque splitter is now also available in the S3, increasing both agility and stability. This technology enables fully variable torque distribution between the rear wheels. The torque splitter uses an electronically controlled multiple disc clutch on each drive shaft to optimally distribute the torque between the rear wheel on the inside and the outside of the curve, depending on the driving situation and the chosen Audi Drive Select mode. More emotion, Audi Drive Select Mode Dynamic Plus. Audi Drive Select offers 6 distinct modes for a wide range of driving experiences, from an emphasis on comfort to highly dynamic. In addition to the familiar profiles, Auto, Comfort, Dynamic, Individual, and Efficiency, the model upgrade for the S3 features the new Dynamic Plus mode, which, as the name suggests, offers especially high driving dynamics. To this end, as much torque as possible reaches the rear axle and the torque splitter mainly sends to the rear wheel on the outside of the curve, resulting in a tendency to oversteer. The Electronic Stabilization Control, ESC, is automatically active in sport mode. Modest interventions by the ESC system ensure an increased and even more emotional driving experience on surfaces with different friction coefficients. The engine and transmission have also been tuned specifically for Dynamic Plus mode. Compared to the Dynamic mode, the idle speed of the 2.0 TFSI has increased by 200 rpm to 1300 rpm to improve off-the-line performance further. The throttle response is even more direct. In addition to shorter gearshifts, the transmission also contributes to increased dynamics with later upshifts and earlier downshifts. More precision, suspension optimizations. Wishbones with stiffer bearings and new pivot bearings that allow more negative wheel camber ensure an improved steering response and increased lateral control, which means more grip and dynamics in corners. Fittingly, the optimized progressive steering helps the S3 take corners even more precisely. Especially in the middle position, the steering, with its angle-dependent ratio, is more centered, which improves handling. The S Sports suspension comes as standard in the S3 models. It lowers the body by 15 mm compared to the A3. The same applies to the optional S Sport suspension with adaptive dampers, which has been specially tuned for the torque splitter and the respective Audi Drive Select modes. A new generation of the electronic stabilization control is also used. Wheel selective torque control, which selectively brakes the wheels on the inside of the curve slightly while cornering, has also been further developed, as have been the traction and deceleration behavior. Overall, the S3 specific tuning of the suspension control systems results in dynamic turn-in and driving behavior. The improved handling goes hand in hand with improved stability at the limit. More grip, 2 new 19-inch tires. The Audi S3 comes as standard with 18-inch 225/40 tires. Two 19-inch 235/35 tires are available as an option, including performance tires with optimized dry handling and improved braking behavior. Completely new to the range, sports tires from Falcon. They offer remarkably high grip and precise track stability, especially on dry roads. In addition, the Falcon Label D tires feature extremely precise handling across the entire speed range. More deceleration, larger brake discs. The increased driving dynamics mean increased demand on the brakes. For this reason, the model upgrade for the S3 has been equipped with larger ventilated brake discs on the front axle, which are perforated to provide a visual highlight. The 18-inch steel brake now measures 357 mm in diameter and, at 34 mm, is 4 mm thicker than before. The two pistons calipers at the front are new too. They further improve braking performance, as do larger pads and larger friction surface of the discs, which have a significantly higher thermal and thus also a higher load capacity. More expressiveness, progressive design. With the model upgrade, the Audi S3 has an even sportier and tauter appearance. The hexagonal, frameless single frame features a new structure that is noticeably flatter and wider. L-shaped design elements accentuate the voluminous grille that, along with the large, angular side air intakes, highlights the S3's dynamic character. A striking front spoiler, with two vertical struts inspired by motorsport, connects the two and further lowers the S3 visually. A new bumper also makes the rear look more dynamic than ever. The structure of the single frame with its distinctive L-wings is reflected in the glossy black rear apron above the diffuser. It is divided into two parts for an S-specific design that looks particularly sporty when combined with the vertical side reflectors that are a design feature of Rs models. The dynamic appearance is rounded out by four tailpipes, another characteristic S-model feature. The optional performance exhaust system, which delivers a more voluminous sound, features a titanium silencer. The vehicle's progressive design is further accentuated by new expressive metallic finishes, including District Green, Ascari Blue, and Progressive Red. For the first time, Daytona Grey is also available in a matte finish. More variety, up to 4 different daytime running light signatures. Like the redesigned single frame, the lighting design is significantly flatter, emphasizing the width of the Audi S3. The 24-pixel elements that make up the digital daytime running lights in the LED and matrix LED headlights are now arranged in 3 rows on the upper edge of the housing. For the first time in A3 series models, it is now possible to select and switch between up to 4 digital daytime running light signatures in the MMI. This offers our customers a higher degree of personalization. They can change the expression of their model at any time. The signatures interpret self-confidence and agility in different ways, says Cesar Muntada, head of design light experience at Audi AG. This is also true for the coming home/leaving home scenarios, which were designed individually for each signature. The tail lamps also feature a new rear light design and new staging of the coming home/leaving home function. More charisma, sharpened interior. To match the more striking exterior, the interior has also been significantly sharpened. There are quite a few alterations here, from the shifter design and air vents to the decorative fabric inlays and new interior lighting. All these elements show precision in detail and emphasize the vehicle's progressive and technical appearance. The standard ambient light package plus in the S3 adds accents in the storage compartment in front of the shifter, on the doors, and in the footwell. With the model upgrade, the center console and cup holder now also feature contour lighting. One eye-catching new design element is the fabric panel in the front doors that was laser cut 300 times. Its 5 segments are backlit by a light source in the door panel. The different sizes of the elements create a dynamic flow of light, which is also apparent when locking and unlocking the vehicle. This makes the illuminated fabric panel a unique design experience. The interior of the S3 models features dark colors with a few silver accents. A black roof lining, stainless steel pedals, illuminated door sills with aluminum inserts featuring the S logo, and aluminum-style interior trim emphasize the vehicle's sporty character. Artificial leather armrests and 2-zone comfort air conditioning come as standard. Flattened at the bottom, the 3-spoke sports contour leather steering wheel features multi-function buttons and new chrome-plated steering wheel paddles. Sports seats with integrated headrests and pronounced side bolsters provide enhanced lateral support. In addition to Dinamica microfiber, a new technical textured fabric is available for the decorative inlays, as are aluminum and carbon fiber. More functionality, integration of apps and functions on demand. The S3 is digital and connected, thanks to numerous Connect services, functions on demand, and a store for apps. In addition to DAB and digital radio and the 10.1-inch touch display, the Audi Virtual Cockpit, and an inductive smartphone charger all come as standard. In addition to the 2 front USB-C charging ports in the center console, there are 2 additional ports in the rear as standard. Other optional features include MMI Navigation Plus, along with the complete Connect portfolio and access to the store for apps, which allows the driver to use a wide range of applications right on the vehicle display. The selected apps are installed in the S3's infotainment system, without taking a detour via the user's smartphone. Users can also interact with their apps via voice command. Functions on demand ensures a high degree of flexibility. A total of 5 individual infotainment and comfort functions can be added online via the My Audi app, even after the vehicle has been purchased.